everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be talking about an interesting subject. Today I'm going to ask you a question about what you would have for your last meal. Thanks a lot for joining us again. Like I said, our topic today is about menus, and this menu is about what you would have for your last meal. I'd like you to comment on this in the comment section below. I'd like you to share with all your friends because I'm really interested to see what everybody would have for their last meal. That being said, here is my menu. First of all, I'd started out with a big old slab of pork ribs, maybe two, slathered in barbecue sauce. And with that, I'm going to have some fried chicken, because I am watching my cholesterol. And then the side dish for that's going to have to be macaroni and cheese with a lot of extra cheese and some fried up bacon in there. Now, I'm not really a big dessert guy, but I think another slab of ribs and some fried chicken would be in order. Now, if I'm going to have barbecued ribs and fried chicken, then I'm going to have some collard greens with some bacon in there too. And I'm thinking, what the heck, I don't eat dessert a lot. I'm not watching my weight anymore. So maybe some chocolate cream pie. All right, well, that's my menu. That's what I'm going to have for my last meal. Please go ahead, get in the comments section below, describe your menu, what you're going to have. Don't worry about calories or cost or any of that because, of course, the state's picking it up. And then go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. And then go ahead and share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.